Shubho Vijaya, happy Dasera to all of you. In this August evening, I just want to greet you all with the help of a few slokas from Shetashvatara Upanishad. I had tried to translate it. Please forgive me for my mistakes. And I just want to thank my brother Shagnik Shomasdar, who had also helped me during this translation. Let's know Thee, who is the God of all supreme forces, Father of all fathers, Mother of all mothers, and greatest of all greats. Let's know the Bhuvaneshwara. Let's know something about Thee, who is beyond any beauty or senses. Not only is He in every cells, not only that He is present in every cells and atoms of living and non-living objects, but also He is beyond them. Perceiving His wonderful, diverse power and knowledge creates beautiful feeling inside. He is the consumer. He is consumable, and He is also the act of consuming. He has no definite shape, but is capable to take the shape of everything, as He can reside inside all and everything. To see Him inside our own heart need to be doubtless on His supreme existence. And by that, we need to burn out our karma, that is lust, krodha, the anger, moha, the delusion, lova, the greed, mada, the pride, matsarya, the envy, manasa, the mind, buddhi, the intellect, chitta, will, and ahamkara, the ego. Let's pray to Him today to make us capable to see Him, to know Him, and to understand Him. Tamishwaranang paramang maheshwarang tang devotanang paramancha daivatam pating patinang paramang parastat vidama devang bhuvaneshamidam ya etat vidu amritaste bhavanti na tasya karjang karanancha vidvate na tat samascha abhyadhikascha drishyate parasya shakti vividhaiva shruyate स्वभाविकी ज्ञान बल क्रिया च न तस्य कश्चित् पतिरस्ति लोके न चेशिता नैव च तस्य लिंगम सकारणं करणाधिपाधिपो न चास्य कश्चित् जनिता न चाधिप एष देव विश्वकर्मा महात्मा सदा जनानां हृदये सन्निविष्ट हृदा मनीषा मनसाभिक्लिप्तो य एतत् विदुर मृतास्ते भवन्ति य एतत् विदुः अमृतास्ते भवन्ति. From Shetashvatara Upanishad. Pranam to all of you. Happy Dasera and Shubho Vijaya Dashami.
परमञ्च दैवतं पति